A woman noticed that her ordered lingerie was missing and, suspecting theft, reported it to the police. The officers arrived at the scene and, after reviewing the package tracking, discovered that it had actually been delivered to the wrong address. The $400 worth of Victoria's Secret lingerie had been left at her neighbor's doorstep. She approached the neighbor to explain the situation and retrieve her package. However, the neighbor's reaction unexpectedly altered the course of events.
And I wouldn't care, but it's like $400 worth of stuff. It won't show up, but... So that's their front porch. There's the package, okay?
With that little black thing right there.
Yeah. And so you can't get to the front porch because it's gated off, so I went to the side door and I knocked. Mm-hmm. A younger girl came to the door, probably close to my size, and I asked for it. They gave me all these, we weren't even home, blah, 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 blah. And then she said, okay. I said, well, I'm going to call the police. She goes, well, you can call Victoria's Secret. And I never once said where it was from.
When the police arrived at the neighbor's house, she was already waiting at the door.
I'm all right. So she has a package that got delivered here and she want it back. So she has pictures that the package was in fact delivered here and it was sitting right on your porch.
That's what she said.
Okay.
I was in bed till 12 o'clock this afternoon with my dogs, and as you can see, they're very vocal, and they were in bed with me, and my husband was not here.
Okay.
So I believe if the picture shows that the package was here, I believe her. The picture shows that it was here, but I do not know anything else.
All right. Who all lives here?
My daughter, me, and my husband.
Okay,
My
would you mind
daughter
bringing them out
was with
also?
My husband.
Would you mind bringing them out also?
Pardon?
Would you mind bringing them out
Yeah,
also?
I can ask
So I can
them
explain the situation to them also.
They were in Rocky River. He
Okay.
went together.
The woman was responding to the police in an extremely calm and composed manner. However, what the officer was about to say would soon cause panic.
Hello. Hi. So does anybody have any idea about this package that got delivered here? Because the package 100% got delivered here. She has pictures of it. We know it got delivered here at some point.
No, when we got home, there was nothing here. I don't know. Were you up?
Answer his question. No, I was in bed till now.
The neighbor's video doorbell had recorded the area where the package had been left. Because of this, the police could have reviewed the footage with the neighbor's permission to determine who took the package. However, the police stated that no criminal charges would be filed if the package was returned.
Oh, perfect. There's a Ring doorbell right over there. Perfect. The house over there. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm giving you guys the opportunity, if you guys did take it, to just give it back. Because if you don't, I'm going to do a theft report and all three of you are going to be listed as suspects. So what's going to happen, there's a Ring doorbell right over there. So I'm going to go knock on that door and figure out who came out and picked up that package. And whoever did that's going to get charged with a theft, okay? And that's $400 worth of stuff. So either we give it back now, nobody gets in trouble, or I figure out who stole it and they're going to get charged. That's what we're doing.
Okay.
Okay? That's how we're going to handle this?
If we find it and we know who took it, it will be returned.
And that's not how we're handling this. When we find out who took it, they're being charged with theft. Okay? We're not doing this, oh, you got me, I'm on camera, I took it, I'm going to give it back now. They're going to be charged with theft. I will arrest them for theft. I'm not playing around. Okay? So either give it back now, or I'm listing all three of you as suspects.
Okay.
Okay. Driver's license.
Mine?
All three of them.
I have an ID. Is that state ID okay?
Yes, that's fine. She has proof that the packages was delivered here. And what time did that get delivered?
9:15.
9:15. So sometime between 9:15 and basically, when did you first get here?
Probably like maybe 12.
And it was already gone, correct?
It was already gone, yeah.
It was already gone.
So between 9:15 and 12.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Yeah, so...
So she has evidence that it did in fact get delivered here. She tried knocking on the door and got some runaround story about them like not having it or something. There's a Ring doorbell over there, so I'm gonna try and get who came and picked up the package. So
So it sounds like these people probably have it.
most likely, yeah.
but they're not like.
They're not fessing up to it. And I even gave them the out. I'm like, if you guys just have it, just give it back to them. Nobody gets charged. If you don't, I'm gonna list all 3 of you as suspects, and then we find out who took it. They're being charged with theft. So we'll see if they come out with the package or not.
And after a while, they went outside again. Look at what they told the police.
Your package is on the way out.
All right. Did you hear that?
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. I'd rather handle it this way.
I totally agree.
And then not to
It was opened.
not to doubt anything, but I'm gonna have her check to make sure all the contents are in
she
there.
definitely
Okay?
needs to do that.
Okay, perfect.
As a result of the police officer's firm stance, the neighbor admits to taking the package by mistake. However, it seems that just as they took it by mistake, they also accidentally opened it.
And if there is anything, I mean, we can compensate if that's what needs to be done.
That'll be between you guys at that point.
I was made aware that package. Other than that, I don't know.
Okay.
We had nothing to do with this.
All right, thank you. She's gonna make sure that all the stuff is in here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go sort of in my trunk.
I'll stand by just in case.
Who took the package?
Who took it?
Yeah, like it was on your porch and you just grabbed it, or like a mistake or something.
Well,
Sorry,
it was
this guy
grabbed
had
by mistake by my husband, and I'm the one who had it on the floor, and I never even noticed the name. I thought it was my daughter. I didn't even look because
I was made aware that package. Other than that, I don't know.
Okay.
well,
Sorry,
it was
this guy
grabbed
had
by mistake by my husband, and I'm the one who had it on the floor, and I never even noticed the name. I thought it was my daughter. I didn't even look because she does a lot of stuff I don't know about. So we did not do anything shady. I just said here. When she heard
Unfortunately, that's not
when
good.
she heard that David would go to jail, no way, or that I would, no way.
The woman felt relieved after retrieving her lingerie. Although she had been forced to call the police at the beginning, like the police, she didn't think it was necessary to escalate the issue further. She was ready to accept it as a simple mistake, but just as the situation seemed to be resolving, she realized that some of the lingerie was missing.
We weren't going to go to jail for her.
All right, she's missing about 5 things.
What is she missing?
I can ask her. They're all different itemized things, so I'll have
Did
to.
she tell me?
Well, I think you need to go ask.
I suspect whoever has them knows what fire they are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they're all different things,
Okay.
so I would have to verify with her exactly what
Okay.
things are missing,
All right.
because they're all different.
If she could tell me.
Just go check with her, Penny, right now.
Are they going to check?
Yeah, they're
Love
checking.
that you're seeing all my good secrets.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be like
No, I'm
nosy or
just- I'm
anything,
not.
but
She said that she has nothing else. You need to call Victoria's Secret on that one. And I believe her. Because I used to order from Victoria's Secret all the time, and the whole order did not come.
yeah, but she's got the itemized
Yeah, I
receipt
I
on her phone
understand that.
and in
Let
the
her talk.
package.
Okay.
She's got the itemized receipt on her phone and from the actual inside the package, and there should be 15 things in there.
I understand that. But I have actually been sent.
Okay, it doesn't matter. What they're going by what?
Okay, I know that. Megan said that she didn't have them.
Okay, let's talk to Megan. Where's Megan at? Why are we even talking to you? Is Megan at home? What the hell? Get Megan out here.
Megan, get out here.
What are you doing here? This is stupid.
Megan! Order some bracelet from Nordstrom.
Her mother beside her was increasingly displaying suspicious behavior. What could have been quietly resolved was escalating due to their inconsistent actions. The police had completely lost their trust and understanding because of these contradictions. It was clear that the woman was lying, yet they still discussed the matter with the owner of the underwear.
That was all that was in there. Victoria's had missed 7 items of my stuff.
All right, what's your name?
Megan's.
All right, Megan. You have 1 chance to get the stuff. You have 5 items still missing, or
Okay,
you want
if
to jail for
they're
theft.
missing the stuff, Ma'am, what do I do? What about Victoria's Secret? I go to jail for a year and package having missing items for Victoria's Secret?
That's why you don't take in packages that don't belong to you.
I didn't!
I threw it down to her, and
Yeah.
I didn't look at the name because
I had
thought it
ordered
was
stuff
hers.
too.
I didn't look at your name. I really didn't.
And now because Victoria's Secret's gonna miss it, I've
What
had
was the
7
conversation when you
items.
first got here?
That's fine.
Basically denied taking it
Are
altogether.
Calm down.
So you denied the whole thing?
We're all set.
Wait,
Yeah.
hold on. I wasn't even here when it was
She
thrown down
handed
there.
me the bag, and I made sure, and I went through
No,
the
David
door.
handed you.
No, wait a minute. David threw it on the floor. I
She
had
threw it
just
down the
got out
basement
of
in my living
bed,
area.
and she wasn't even here yet, and I threw it downstairs. I didn't even look at the name. And
Because she
she's
knew
the
that I
one.
had ordered Victoria's
Wait.
Secret too.
Wait a minute.
They didn't even cooperate until you threatened to arrest them. Is that what
Yep.
sort of looked like
Yeah,
from where I
that's
was standing, right?
exactly what happened.
I didn't want my husband going to jail for something I didn't.
Well,
look
somebody's
at.
going to go to jail
promise
because you
you-
guys obviously aren't fessing up and giving all the
I
items back.
am the
Listen,
one.
I'm
Look,
giving all the items back.
Gosh.
Everything that, no, hang on. Everything
We've got
that's in
5
that-
more that are missing.
Okay, I'm telling you, Victoria's Secret is missing that, not me.
They've done that to me.
You can check my
before,
underwear
so-
drawer, you can check everywhere. I have nothing but Victoria's Secret.
I get it if it was like one thing, but 5? Come
They've
on. Come
missed
on.
7 items
I
baby,
will
on
go
my
down
order
there,
before.
sir.
7 items.
Sir, I will go down there and look again if you want me to.
I sure hope you do,
there.
because this is your last chance. If you don't come
I'll
up with
go
those
down
5
there.
things, you're being arrested.
Why
for
am
theft.
I being arrested?
Because
I
we're
don't
not
even
playing
know what
this
you're
game.
missing.
She's not playing a game.
I'm not playing a game. I have a kid.
Wait a minute. She's got a daughter.
And I have a new
That
job
has
coming
nothing
up.
to do with this.
Yes, it does.
Yes,
I
it
don't want to
doesn't.
go back to jail. I'll go to prison.
Wait,
Do you understand? I'm from Victoria's
stop
Secret.
it. Go downstairs and make sure.
I did. I
No,
checked
Meg-
everything.
She's going to stay
Megan's
right
staying
here.
right here.
Wait a second. Can I say something?
Man,
No,
you
I'm
know
tired of saying stuff.
this is bullshit. That I would go and I was in here.
Megan, hey, stay out here. We're still talking to you.
Okay.
She
You're
said
staying.
go outside.
No,
Yelling.
she's not giving you. I'm giving you instructions to stay right here. Do you understand why people are? I mean,
I
there's.
understand.
Stop. I'm talking.
He's
Would
talking
you
to me.
all shut the up?
Separate.
You
Separate.
come down here.
I'm tired of it.
Megan, come down. Stay.
No, I'm not
Come here.
coming down with cops. I don't
No,
trust
you
y'all.
are.
Why am I going to jail?
Stop.
Come on.
No, wait, don't touch me. Don't
Come
touch
on.
me. Why am I going to jail?
You won't shut up.
What am I doing?
Get inside.
What am I
Can't
doing?
leave any
Right now.
No, what are you doing? Mom!
You won't hush.
Get inside.
You were yelling at why are you taking me to jail?
We're not taking you to jail. You're detaining you right now until we figure this all out.
Oh my god!
Stop yelling. Stop.
Please leave me out of handcuffs. This is not better for you. I'm seriously gonna have an anxiety
Stop.
attack. Ma'am, I don't have your order.
Take a deep breath.
The woman was finally handcuffed, but she kept denying everything. However, what was about to happen would soon expose her lies.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
I have no reason to lie.
All of us want to leave and get on with our day. That's what we all
Do you want to get my
here.
panties off? I mean, Jesus
That's what
Christ.
we want. Where's the rest of the stuff?
I don't have them.
I don't believe you.
Can I?
Okay, thanks a lot, Mom.
No, go check my drawer, Mom. Go check my drawer.
Let's identify.
Take any underwear.
Yeah.
What did I do? I just got here. So it's like, I would have never got it back if you guys didn't come here. So she would have freely taken my stuff.
Right. So yeah. So your options here is we can go with theft, and the best evidence we have is that she took those items. Or if you think you've got most of it, and you could reach out to Victoria's Secret, explain the situation, and if they would replace it. I have no idea if they would do that or what. But I'm just if I'm in your shoes, those are my 2 directions I can go. You just got to tell us what you want to do, so we know what to do next.
And my conscience too, because this girl was troubled.
My question to you is, do you order stuff from Victoria's Secret frequently?
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
How often do you have problems with them not fulfilling
Never.
the order?
I've
Okay.
never. I mean, I'm an avid online shopper, so
Yeah.
you don't. Usually, there's not stuff missing.
As the police were about to take her away, the woman gave an unexpected reaction.
Mom, go check my drawer. Go check my drawer. No, can I go check my drawer? I promise you, I can probably find them.
Oh, you remember where it's at now?
No, I promise you,
let's go
I said
look.
they're deep.
Let's go look.
Can you take this out?
Let's go. No, you're staying in the cuffs. Let's go
Can
look.
you go with her?
Mom,
let's go.
can she go with me?
Let's go. We'll all go. How about that? It'll be a big family
Come on.
party. Come on.
Stop yelling.
Please.
Please.
No, I asked him if I could go in there and
Talking the same
look.
volume she's talking.
Okay,
No,
Megan, calm down.
The woman, once again blaming others, revealed 4 more pieces of underwear. However, one piece was still missing. The entire situation was becoming increasingly bizarre. The owner of the underwear seemed to be getting more and more frustrated. The police decided to arrest the suspect, and at that moment, the whereabouts of the missing piece finally became clear.
Can you let go of my arm, please, so I can look? Can you open?
This one?
Yeah, it's an antique. That's not mine. Mom, you didn't look, because there's stuff in here that's not mine.
Where?
Right here. That one's not mine. This one's not mine.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. You didn't look all the way. This is not mine. Wait, hang on. I have a pair like this.
That's George.
No, that's brand new, Mom. You didn't look at this.
No, I didn't see him. Sorry.
She didn't look at that.
Listen.
The thing is, we had to go through all of this just to even get the package
I
back.
told her where to check. No, I told her where to check. No, don't take me in. No, wait.
What if we?
No,
What
don't
if
let
I-
go. Oh, guys, I won't.
Well, we're past that at this point.
Ma'am,
What if I?
Ow! Ow! You're hurting
What if
me!
I paid for it?
Mom!
We're past
Mom!
that.
No, hand, let go!
Okay, what is gonna happen?
Is this the underwear you gave me, Mom?
For how long?
Ma'am,
Well, she
ask her if
get
it's a pink pair of
Gonna
underwear.
get-
Ask her
We'll
if
deal
it's a
with all
pink
that.
pair of underwear. Ask her, I'm wearing them. Ow, my wrist!
God.
My wrist! Ask her if it's a pink pair of underwear. I'll take them off.
She just paid
Mom!
for 'em?
No.
No, Mom, you gave me a pink pair of underwear. Was that coming out of the package? Did it?
Yeah.
Yes, it. Ma'am, I have them. Can you please tell her? Ma'am, I have them.
The police and the victim gave her multiple chances, but she failed to take advantage of any of them. The outcome of her trial remains unknown. But in her state, this crime is estimated to carry a sentence of up to 1 year in prison. Make sure to use your second chances wisely. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.